Here we go, Johan. You're doing 13, 14 select. You pick box number 1. Is this 13, 14 or 12, 13? 13, 14, okay. Your first hit, Signatures, J. Williams. Victor Oladipo, rookie. Brandon Davies, Prism. Blake Griffin, jersey. Sergei Karasev, purple. Russell Westbrook, Prism. Magic Johnson. That's just an insert. Nice one here, numbered to 10, Victor Oladipo. Victor Oladipo, gold rookie patch autograph. Patch could be more desirable. It's just a white one. That's a good looking card though. Victor Oladipo, 6 of 10. Just missed his jersey by 1. Nice hit though. Just base and inserts. Al Farouk Amino. Kobe Bryant Prism. Dude's white hot. Otto Porter, blue. Kemba Walker. Number to 25, Monte Ellis Prism jersey. 17 of 25. And the last one will be Kenneth Faried, just baseball. Alright, Johan, to recap, we have Monte Ellis Prism jersey, Victor Oladipo gold patch. That is a patch. It looks like a jersey, but it's a patch. I think a white one. 6 of 10 gold patch autograph. Blake Griffin jersey and Jay Williams jersey. Or autograph, not jersey. Appreciate it, Johan. I'll get it. Oh, actually, you said you might grab another one. Let me know. See ya.